Got a wallet-draining coffee habit? Ditch the overpriced cafe runs and pick up one of the best latte machines instead. Sure, the upfront cost can be steep, but considering the daily cost of getting your caffeine fix at a third-wave coffee shop, you can save big in the long run. More importantly, you can enjoy the convenience of getting a barista-style brew right in the comfort of your home. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly crafted latte without even stepping out of your kitchen. These machines are designed to deliver quality coffee that rivals your favorite cafe. Better still, it'll be customized exactly to your liking. Skinny vanilla latte with a sprinkle of cinnamon? Mocha oat milk latte with an extra shot? Soy chai latte drizzled with caramel? You name it, and your at-home latte machine will deliver. It's like staffing your kitchen with your personal barista. Just be sure to stock your pantry with the best espresso beans, and you'll have a cafe right at your fingertips. Plus, the convenience of making your favorite coffee drink at home can't be overstated. It saves time and lets you enjoy your coffee exactly how you like it, without any mistakes or waiting in line. Shopping for the best latte machine can be a little overwhelming. To ease your search, we have curated the best latte machines on the market. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. The Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima by DeLonghi. Don't want to deal with the hassle of loading ground beans into a portafilter? You can get a delightful latte from a capsule with the Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima by DeLonghi. No fuss or mess required. The machine offers 2 different milk settings, cappuccino and latte macchiatto, as well as a create-your-own setting using the extra hot foam button. You can also select 6 different beverage sizes, ranging from espresso to a full carafe. Plus, it heats up to optimal brewing temperature in 30 seconds, so you won't have to wait long for your caffeine fix. One of the downsides with this machine is that it only works with Nespresso Vertuo line capsules, which can be a little pricey, although still come at a lower cost than most drinks at the cafe. However, these capsules come filled with high-quality beans from around the world and taste great. We think this is one of the best pod-based coffee ecosystems to commit to if capsules and lattes on demand are your thing. And given its ease of use and variety of beverage size options, this latte machine would undoubtedly make a great gift for a big family. Number 4. KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8. Meet the do-it-all latte machine of your dreams, the KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8. This sleek machine, which comes in your choice of stainless steel or cast iron casing, can make, of course, lattes, but it can also whip up more than 40 other drinks, including Americanos, cappuccinos, and shots of espresso. Simply select the drink you want using the buttons and LCD, and then the machine will use its smart dosing technology that selects the ideal bean grind and milk and water quantity to whip up your buzzy beverage in a flash. It can even make 2 specialty drinks simultaneously, perfect for a couple trying to get out the door at the same time every morning. No need to deal with constant refills. This latte machine has a built-in 9.5-ounce bean grinder, 74-ounce water reservoir, and 26.7-ounce milk container. So once you fill it, it'll be ready to brew for a while. Plus, it's certified by Quiet Mark as one of the least noisy espresso machines, giving you the peace and quiet you want early in the day. These features come at a steep cost though, nearly $2,000. It comes with a 2-year warranty, which we wish was a little longer, considering the price tag. But overall, we love this latte machine for its ease of use, high capacity for beans and liquids, and tasty drinks. It would also make a great wedding gift for a couple you want to splurge on. Number 3. Terra Kaffe TK2 Connected Super Automatic Espresso Machine. The Terra Kaffe TK2 Connected Super Automatic Espresso Machine might make you break up with your go-to cafe for good. This smart machine offers unparalleled customization for lattes, drip coffee, and other espresso drinks. It features a precision frothing dial to give you more control over the milk aeration, an easy-to-clean hopper that works with dairy and non-dairy milk, a metal conical burr grinder that can tweak the grind based on your bean type and weight, and a dedicated chute for pre-ground beans, which makes it easy to try something new or have a decaf option on hand. Using the app or the machine itself, you can also set personalized drink recipes, perfect if you like something bold and strong, but your partner prefers a lighter latte in the morning. The app also allows you to wake up the machine while you're still in bed. When it's time to make your latte, the machine's ready to go. And there's virtually no mess, thanks to the built-in waste bin that holds espresso pucks and the no-splash drip tray that keeps your countertop dry. Setting up the machine can be tricky at first. It might require a few days of trial and error before you get the settings just the way you like them. Fortunately, Terra Kaffe offers a 30-day, 150 brew in-home trial period to make sure you absolutely love the machine before finalizing your purchase. We think you'll fall in love with it much sooner. Number 2. Mr. Kaffe Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. If you're buying a latte machine to save money on your daily caffeine fix, this machine from Mr. Kaffe will help you get a quick return on your investment. At under $200, it's one of the most affordable latte machines you can get that still delivers rich espresso shots and pleasantly foamy milk. This appliance couldn't be easier to use. Fill the water reservoir and milk hopper, add ground beans to the portafilter and twist it into place. Then use the one-touch control panel to select a single or double-shot latte, cappuccino, or espresso. It automatically kicks into action and delivers a barista-style beverage before your eyes. You can also program custom settings, including the desired foaminess of your milk, to create your ideal drink. There are some trade-offs to get a latte machine at this price point. The parts can feel a little flimsy, and the machine itself is pretty lightweight, so you'll need to hold it steady while you install the portafilter. But considering the low price tag, this machine makes it easy to forgive its few flaws and relish having homemade lattes at a fraction of what you'd spend at the cafe. It could also make a fun college graduation gift. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine is your best bet if you want a latte machine that delivers consistently delicious espresso topped with steamed, foamy milk in almost no time. It features a thermojet heating system that gets to the optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. Its simple control panel gives you exactly what you need to make a great latte. Choose from 1 or 2 shots, steam, milk level, and the texture of the foam you want. With this machine, you can even get microfoam, an essential if you want to try your hand at latte art. Not only does this machine churn out one excellent latte after the next, but it also looks sharp on the countertop. It occupies a much smaller footprint than many larger espresso machines and comes in more than 10 attractive colors. However, it requires you to run the cleaning cycle frequently, and the included portafilter tends to leak. Additionally, it does not have a built-in bean grinder, so you'll need a separate grinder to enjoy the freshest espresso-based drinks. Despite these minor drawbacks, its compact size, ease of use, and the ability to create microfoam milk make the Breville Bambino Plus a standout choice for home baristas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.